conflicting objectives of stemming a surge in coronavirus cases and the urgency to reopen a crippled economy are posing a major policy change to the Narendra Modi government, which is preparing to lift the remaining curbs on economic activities from August 1st. While the centre has lifted most restrictions outside containment zones, administrative units such as districts and municipal corporations in several states are imposing new restrictions on movements, complicating the revival of business activities. This, along with the surge in infections and doubts about a rebound in demand, are holding back many businesses from deploying capital in operations in the right manner. There is no clarity in communication between centre and the states. India has reported over 15 lakh infections so far. Besides schools and colleges, services such as metro rail, movie halls, gyms and bars, and social and political gatherings are not allowed as per the Home Ministry order last month. Various industry groups have asked the government to ease restrictions further, subject to safeguards. The economy has been sinking with no hopes of recovery soon. The lockdowns and restrictions announced by the government lacked planning, thus creating an adverse impact on both the pandemic and the economic curve. On the contrary, government and officials have, however, expressed confidence that a V-shaped economic recovery will take hold in the coming quarters after a deep contraction in the June quarter. The centre is now gradually reopening international air travel through bilateral deals after opening domestic air travel on one-third capacity. Cinemas, which have been shut since mid-March, are likely to be one of the services to be reopened in the next phase, with the Information and Broadcasting Ministry suggesting to the Home Ministry to consider the same. Bollywood has ended its worst first 6 months of the year with losses of over Rs 1,000 crores as theatres remain shut for more than 4 months now. Theatre chains have already invested in contactless transactions and censors have replaced physical body checks. As lockdown orders continue to be enforced in many parts of the country, businesses and livelihoods are under tremendous pressure due to a collapse in demand, layoffs, and wage reductions. Industry Chamber Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry (FICCI) said in a statement on Monday. The industry body urged policymakers to reopen cinemas, multiplexes, schools, and colleges, as well as to lift the restrictions on aviation and tourism with safeguards. States have been adopting their unlock strategies based on the local situation of the pandemic. The sharp decline in infections in Delhi has encouraged Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal to focus on the economy. Neighbouring Haryana has no plans to impose any more lockdowns in the state, Chief Minister Manohar Lal Khattar said. As Unlock 3 approaches, the number of coronavirus cases each day have reached 50,000. There is still no strategy to increase testing and control the spread of the pandemic. The real question remains, what is the preparedness of the government to fight the pandemic and revive the economy together?